Hi children, this is Suresh. Welcome to maths class. Dear children, in this class we are going to learn about the exercise 2.5. Before that, we need to learn about the algebraic identity concept. Okay, let's have a look on the definition of algebraic identity. An algebraic identity is an algebraic equation that it is true for all values of the variables occurring in it. Okay children, algebraic identity is nothing but it is an equation, but it is true for all the values of variables occurring in it. Okay, so there is a small difference between equation and identity. Both are look like same, but there is a difference between algebraic identity and equation. Let me explain more clearly by taking some examples. What is equation and what is identity? Equation. Here I am taking some examples for explaining the equations. Equations are two parts. Equations having two parts, that is LHS side and RHS side. But equations are true for only some few values only. That means if you take x square plus 6 equal to 10, this is equation. This is not an identity, because this equation is true for only some values, not all the values. Yes, this is only true for 2 and minus 2. If you take 2 and minus 2, then only this is true. In that case only LHS equal to RHS, otherwise it is not true for the remaining values. Okay, if you take 2 square plus 6 equal to 2 square means 4 plus 6 10 equal to 10, this is true for the value true. And if you take minus 2, then also it is true for the equation. So if you take minus 2 square plus 6, minus 2 square means 4 plus 6 10 equal to 10. Okay, so these two values satisfy the equation. If you take 3, it is not true, because 3 square means 9 plus 6 equal to 15 is not equal to 10, so it is not for the value 3. Okay, simply we can say that equation is only true for few values, but whereas algebraic identity is true for all the values of variables. Okay, and if you take another example for the equation, that is x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0, this is also an equation, but it is not true for all the values. If you take minus 2 and minus 3, then only it is true for the LHS side and RHS side. Okay, minus 2, if you take minus 2, that is minus 2 square plus 5 into minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Minus 2 square 4, 5 2s are minus 10 plus 6 equal to 0, that is 4 plus 6 10 minus 10 0 equal to 0. So this is true for the value minus 2. Similarly, if you take minus 3, then in that case also it is true for the value minus 3. So this equation is true for only values minus 2 and minus 3 only. If you take 4, it is not true for that case. You can verify by substituting 4 in the given equation. Okay, so finally what I am saying is equation is nothing but algebraic identity is nothing but an equation, but it is true for all the values of variables, whereas equation is true for only few values. Okay, now coming to the identities. Algebraic identity. If you take x plus 1 square equal to, this is x square plus 2x plus 1, this is an identity. It is true for all the values. If you take any value and if you substitute any value in this equation, it is true for all the values. So that's why it is called identity. Okay, just wait. Okay, let me substitute some values for your understanding. Here I am taking x equal to 2 first. If you take 2 and if you substitute 2 in this equation, 2 plus 1 equal to 3 square, 2 square 4 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 1, that is 9 equal to 9. It is true for x equal to 2. If you take x equal to 10, you can take any values because this is true for all the values. You can select any value and you can substitute any value, you will get it is true for all the values. Now I am taking x equal to 10. If you substitute 10 in this equation, 10 plus 1 11 square, that is 10 square 100, 2 into 10 20 plus 1 11 11s are 121, so that is 100 plus 20 plus 1 121. So in this case also it is true for the value x equal to 10. Okay, so algebraic identity and equations are looks like same, but there is a difference between equation and algebraic identity. Algebraic identity is true for all the values, okay, whereas equation is true for only few values. Okay, so this is the definition of algebraic identity. An algebraic identity is an algebraic equation that it is true for all the values of the variables occurring in it. So here some identities are given, so you need to by heart these formulas because our next topic, that is exercise 2.5, is based on these formulae. So you have to by heart these formulas for better understanding of the problems in exercise 2.5. So first one, x plus y whole square is identically equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Yes, this is the formula of a plus b whole square. So here in the letters in the form of a plus b whole square, here we use x plus y whole square. Okay, so x plus y whole square equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Next one, second one is x minus y whole square equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. Third one, x plus y into x minus y equal to x square minus y square. Fourth one, x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Fifth one, x plus y plus z whole square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Next one, x plus y whole cube, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Next one, x minus y whole cube is identically equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. And if you simplify this, you will get the result in this way also, x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus 3x square y minus 3xy into minus y plus 3xy square. Okay, you can write this formula or this formula also. Eighth one, x plus y plus z equal to into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay.